If PC, car insurance Denmark pricing explained what you get for your money. If you drive in Denmark, chances are you've heard of If PC, one of the biggest and most reliable insurers in the Nordic region. But how much does their car insurance actually cost, and what do you get for your money? Let's break it down. On average, If PC car insurance in Denmark costs between 50 and 90 Danish kroner per year depending on your age, driving record, location and car type. Younger drivers and those in larger cities tend to pay more, while experienced drivers with clean records enjoy better rates. If offers the 3 standard levels of car insurance in Denmark. First, liability insurance mandatory for all drivers, covers injury and damage you cause to others. Without this, your vehicle cannot be legally driven. Next is fire and theft insurance, which adds protection for your car if it's stolen, vandalized, or damaged by fire or natural events. Finally, the full casco insurance provides complete protection including damage to your own car, even if you're at fault. This coverage also includes glass damage, towing, and assistance after an accident. If PC also offers extra add-ons like roadside help, personal accident coverage, and even replacement car benefits to keep you mobile after a crash. Here's something most people don't realize: If rewards safe drivers. The longer you go without making a claim, the more discounts you can earn on future premiums. And with their mobile app, managing your insurance or reporting claims takes just a few taps, no long calls, no paperwork. So, what do you really get for your money? Strong, flexible protection backed by one of Scandinavia's most respected insurance brands. Whether you're navigating city traffic or country roads, If PC gives you confidence that you're covered. Because in Denmark, car insurance isn't just a legal requirement, it's your safety net. And with If PC, that net is strong, fair, and built to protect what matters most.